Hello, everybody. The DUI guy is back once again. Welcome, one and all, back to my channel. It is a beautiful, what day of the week is it? Wednesday? It's a beautiful Wednesday. Welcome, friends and family and total strangers on the internet around the world. June 16th is the date, 7:08 is the hour. We are going to have so much fun today. I am so excited to see each and every single one of you, whether you are returning and or current and or new viewer. So, yeah, what's up, you guys? Hello, Rudy. Hi, Malone. Irene, Mike, Kevin, George, Matt, George again, same George. Oh my goodness. Can you tell I'm in a good mood? I don't even know why. I have no idea. I'm just in a good mood because I can be in a good mood. So I hope you are too. Strap in for the ride. We have lots of stuff to cover today. We have 3 brand new videos to review. They're all fairly short. I think about one is actually only a minute, so we may actually do more than 3. We may do 4, and they're all. Oh, I just realized I didn't finish the title, did I? I think it's just called DUI Attorney Reacts, episode 12. That's it, right? At never before seen. Oh no, it's the same. It's the same title. Okay, sorry, channel. Sorry, chat. Give me just a moment. I have some technical difficulties. Edit video. Oh, bloody hell. Sorry, I was distracted, and then I just was like, okay, I'm ready to go, and then I just hit like start. Okay, we got that. This is episode. Which episode is this? No, wait a minute. Yeah, this is it says episode 12, right? Yeah. It's not never before seen horrific arrest. This is going to be, what are we going to call this? More reaction video. I don't know. Scotty doesn't know. We're going to call this Scotty doesn't know because Larry doesn't know what he's doing right now. So we're just going to call this Criminal Defense Lawyer Reacts episode 12. ... Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. You guys remember that movie? Scotty doesn't. That Matt Damon singing a rock song. I mean, come on. Does it get better than that, folks? I do not think so. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty. All right. Woo! All right. So, somebody snitched to Scotty, says Mark. Oops. I guess Scotty does know. Well, he was in Hot Tub Time Machine, right? How to react on police questions if I don't speak English? Ask for an interpreter. Great question, Kochegin. Is that Russian? Kochegin. We use the number 4 as the che sound. Irene Guy says, I'm training to be a criminal defense lawyer. You inspire me. I want to fight corruption. Whoa. This is worth highlighting. This is worth highlighting, Irene. Oh my gosh, look at this. Talk about love. This is love right here if I've ever seen it. Oh my gosh. Irene, you're my gal. I swear to God. God bless you. There's so few of us. So few. And you're going to change the world, Irene. I can already see it. I'm just letting you know. Do it. Defense with a C. So you're probably in Great Britain or Australia, but definitely not the United States. Yes, I'm Russian. Of course you are. Kochegin, right? You got it, Irene. All right. So, without further ado, We're going to start with the shortest video I think I have ever reacted to. This is a minute and 25 seconds. Oh, I forgot to minimize myself. Sorry about that. Here we go. And let's watch.
Action. I'm going to make sure that
I was pulled over not committing a crime infraction or ordinance violation by Officer Bond of the Carterville Police Department. He lit me up and demanded ID for simply being pulled over. I'm getting more and more of these, and I hate to say it, but not turning over your ID, sure, might be, you might think it's within the confines of the law. Good luck getting out of this one.
Working, and then I'm going to, if you would.
You're operating a motor vehicle. You have to turn over your driver's license just so that you're not driving while suspended. You don't have any DUIs that suspended your license. They have to make sure that you're a licensed, valid driver. There's no such thing as traveling, okay? So all you sovereign citizens, you can block me right now, okay? This is my invitation to you. If you are a diehard sovereign citizen, I wasn't driving, I was traveling. Block me, delete me, dislike me, get rid of me. I don't want you anywhere near me, okay? Please, for the love of God. No. Okay, no, just no, no, traveling. No, you're driving, moron, you're driving. You want to argue otherwise? By all means, go ahead. I'm tired of hearing that argument.
Wish to continue this interaction and lie, then we'll go ahead and have a problem. So
he was captaining his vessel.
Yes, please. Okay, so you said that my passenger side brake light is not working, right? And you're Officer Bond with the what?
Carterville Police Department.
All right, thank you. Yeah. So, you came up with that excuse because I was pulled over back there and you had no other reason to,
Don't fight it on the street. Okay, dude, what are you doing? Why are you talking? First of all, stop talking. Stop talking. You see what I'm doing right now? I'm talking. Do the opposite of that, which is this. Now you try. Stop talking. Stop fighting your case on the street. Hand over your ID. Take your ticket or your arrest. Go to jail and get released, or take your ticket and go home. That's it. Fight it in court. Stop fighting it on the street. You will always lose. Let's see what happens.
Get my information, and when I told you that that I didn't consent to this interaction, then you decided that you were going to harass me, correct?
You have your insurance as well?
I do. I have Progressive. I gotta find my card and stuff, but yeah.
Alright, once you find your card, you just want to...
Oh, okay, well...
Please.
Okay.
Okay.
Right,
yeah, no problem.
Okay. Traveling inconvenience, they must not have taught you that in the Bar Association. Hi, Malone. I was really hoping you were... I always suspected, based on your comments, I always suspected you were a sovereign citizen. You're more than welcome to stay. Hi, Malone. I'm not going to boot you. But if you keep talking trash about your sovereign citizenry... I'm sorry to say, I will eventually have to give you the boot. But if you just want to enjoy the content, I don't want to kick you out, man. Just don't spread this propaganda up in here, okay? If you want to spread it somewhere else, there are 1,000 million billion trillion other channels out there that you're more than welcome to comment on. But please don't do it on my territory. That's all I ask. You're a long time. I'm not going to look it up. I've looked it up enough. So. But yeah, back to this case, it ran his information, came back, told me I was free to go, no citation. So, that's it. Willie Czar with a $10 dono. Oh, man.
Okay.
Yeah, his taillight's out. When he brakes, his taillight doesn't brake. That is a violation. So, where's the problem? It looks like it's out. I don't know. You guys see that? It's the top one is going. Let's take a look once again.
Okay.
Watch. He brakes. The top does, the left does, but the right one doesn't.
Okay.
Or am I missing something? I don't know. Maybe the officer lied. Maybe he didn't. That's not the point. The guy showed his ID. He didn't get a citation. Walked away. You know, a lot of these cops, by the way, if there is no violation, it's very possible, no violation at all. The officer lied. He just wanted to make a traffic stop. He needed a justification. I see cops do it all the time. You know, if you, as a cop, you've all heard the mantra, you know, if you go to a club and you talk to 10 girls and all you ask is, you know, would you like to come home with me? One of them is guaranteed to say yes, so you have a 10% chance. Same thing on the street. If you stop, as a cop, if you stop 10 cars and you eventually will get one that's going to have marijuana in it. It's just the rule of the land. You're going to get 10% success rate, and it's crappy, it's shitty, and cops do it all the time. It's called a rover stop. It's unconstitutional. It's illegal. So what do? They say, I have a reason, and there's my reason. It's a fake reason, but it's an easy one that you can't disprove easily. I mean, obviously this guy did it, but it's a pretextual stop. Exactly. It's not. No, that's not even a pretextual stop. That's a roving stop. Look that up. I want to share this with you guys. What is a roving stop? It is completely unconstitutional. A roving stop, SCOTUS, Supreme Court of the United States. This is the Mexican descent case. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Is it Martinez Fuerte? Shoot, I really don't remember. It takes me back to law school. I haven't done one in a while just because it never comes up in the practical world, because there's never been an officer that was like, yeah, I pulled him over because I felt like it. It was like, it starts with the W, not Wales. Oh my good. Wren! I remembered. It's Wren. Roving stop, Wren. WHREN, I think. Wren versus United States, 1996 case. I'm pretty sure this is it. It disallowed roving stops. I think this is it. Wren. Michael Wren versus United States. Wren v. United States, 1996 case. Let's see. It's basically said roving stops are unconstitutional, I believe. I could be wrong. I think that's the case. Yeah, Martinez, the immigration checkpoint thing. No. Anyway, so there's a case out there that basically says it is unconstitutional to stop a car if you have no probable cause, reasonable suspicion. I mean, it's obvious. It's like the most obvious case in the universe, but it exists, you know, and it's weird, but it exists. Because somebody out there tried to just stop a car and was like, yeah, I had nothing better to do, so I pulled him over. And, okay, and what's your justification for it? What's your constitutional justification for it? I felt like it. I mean, constitutionally, 76th Amendment lets me. Okay, there's officer, there's no such thing as the 76th Amendment. I'm the prosecutor, obviously, here. Please just give me something. Why did you pull them over? I was on my smoke break. All right, let's try again. Why did you pull them over? I was done with my lunch. Nope. No, that's not it. Okay, one last try. Why did you pull them over? I didn't like their tires, man. All right, so we're going to have to appeal this. Or you're going to have to appeal this, counselor. I got nothing. My cop's a moron. He, yeah. Yep. So maybe Ren is about pretextual stops. I think you're right. There's a case out there, for the love of God. Somebody will probably find it. There is. I'm from Louisville. Cogniti. I don't remember. It must have. Oh, Brigani Ponce. That's not a case we covered in law school. I'm not gonna lie, but I do know that name. I think that one does. That one has to do with pretext. Is it not pretext? I'm sorry. That has to do with roving stops. Being yes. That's it. While Brignoni Ponce's appeal was pending, the Supreme Court decided Almeida Sanchez, which held that the Fourth Amendment prevents roving patrol stops from searching vehicles without a warrant, or probably. Okay, you guys are not gonna believe this. You guys, oh my God. You guys. Oh my God, you guys. I am about to faint. You got to be kidding me. Watch this. Wait, hold on. So you guys remember that running joke? You guys remember that running joke that we had, that one stream about probably cause? I think this is a typo. But my God, this is just hilarious. This is just the funniest thing I have ever seen. I did not anticipate this. I think the universe is trying to tell me something. Scotty doesn't know. Don't tell Scotty that the officer does not have probably cause. Oh, folks, you cannot make this stuff up. I can't believe this. Wow. So for those of you who are not familiar, why am I laughing so hard and absolutely losing my mind? I'm sure chat can enlighten you. But about 4 or 5 episodes ago, I made a joke that when an officer does not have probable cause to pull over a vehicle, there's this running joke that I just accidentally created one day. And I said they don't have probable cause to pull over a vehicle, which is the legal standard. They have probably cause. And, I kind of forgot about it, and we use it every once in a while. It's kind of cute. It's kind of funny. But I am losing my freaking mind over here because I'm just reading, somebody... We were talking about roving stops, and this talks about roving stops. As you can clearly see, if you look at the text, it's talking about roving stops and how it's unconstitutional to roving patrols to search vehicles without warrant or probable cause and to stop them. Well, somebody typed in, and when they were typing on the internet, and I don't know when was this published. I honestly have no clue. It doesn't have a date of publication. It's Oyez. Access June. No, that's when it was accessed. I've no idea when this was actually published, but that's irrelevant. I imagine this was probably published way before I did my joke, which was just a couple of weeks ago. But wow, folks. Wow. Probably cause. It's right there. It's right there. This is from... Here's the link for those of you non-believers like, oh, Larry, you created this website just for the content. Oh, good show, Larry. Good show. No, it's on oyez.org /cases/1974 /74-114. Chat, will you please go ahead and confirm this is a real thing and not created by Larry? I'll wait. I'll wait. This is oyez.org. They publish a lot of cases. This is a real typo by somebody who must have been watching my stream. Anyway, I digress. All right, Kevin Coburn, confirmed. Tracy says... probably cause-ish, type-ish, error-ish. You're absolutely right. God, I love your grammar. You must have gone to the school of DUI guy-ish. This is the website. I mean, it's Oyez. This is the actual website where I got that from. Okay. Anyone? Bueller? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Anyone? I love that movie. All right. So back to where we were. Let's do video number 2. East Chicago PD arrest and assault explained with Cliff Notes. Ooh, this is going to be good. Let's watch. Oh, wow.
He's not resisting. You're on film. Stop resisting. I'm not resisting. What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? Yo! Are you out of your fucking mind? Are you out of your mind? What the fuck? Help! I'm bleeding! Stop bleeding! Do you understand that I have... Oh my... What am I under arrest for? You punched him in the face. I want to soup... What am I under arrest for?
What did I just watch? Yeah, I was going to say, Kevin, I agree. He's absolutely... that was a resist if I've ever seen one. He was holding his phone. Granted, he was trying to record. Okay. Officer pulled up on the parking lot. I can't read that. The officers... at the officer's vehicle screaming, "Fuck the police." That's a good start.
I do. What's up with your headlight being out, man? You got the headlight out. Why do you got a headlight out?
Okay, you all. By the way, this video is cropped. This is not me, just so you know. This space is black completely. So what is this guy doing wrong? Does chat want to intervene right now? What is this man doing wrong? Remember sticking your head out, asking for bullets? What is this man doing wrong right out of the gate, chat? Oh, sure, freedom of speech. No one's arguing that this man doesn't have a freedom of speech, but what is this man doing wrong? No, not illegal. I don't think he's doing anything illegal. What is the man with the camera approaching the cop's vehicle doing wrong? He's poking the lion. Thank you, Kip, for the accurate answer. You know, it is not illegal to enter the lion's den. It is not against the law. I'm going to screen capture this because that right there, folks, is the best answer you will ever get. He's poking the lion. Why? Okay, he's an auditor. There's a cavalier way of going about things. Right out of the gate, I'm telling you this interaction is going to end bad. We already know it's going to end bad. But right out of the gate, this guy is completely in the wrong. Your headlight is out. You know what he could do? He could come up and say, "Excuse me, officer, I hate to bother you, but I just want to let you know your headlight's out." "No problem, man. Thanks. Have a good day." He didn't poke the bear there. He just explained to the officer he noticed that there's something mechanically wrong with his vehicle, as you rightfully should. If you notice it and you have the opportunity, sure, why not? But notice his demeanor. "Hey, man, why is your headlight out? I noticed your headlight's out." That's a whole different interaction. Now you're being confrontational. Even if I'm not a cop, if I'm just regular Joe, I would be a little concerned for my life. Switch this officer out. I think people don't understand what they're doing because they're like, "Well, I'm a First Amendment auditor, so I can poke lions and bears and tigers." Oh my. Now, let's switch the facts. This is not a cop anymore. This is a complete stranger you've never met who just shopped at Kroger and is trying. He's got things on his mind. He's going home. "Oh my God, I gotta bathe the kids. I gotta do laundry. Hey man, your headlight's out. Hey, why is your headlight out?" I don't know. "Why? What do you need?" And then whatever the I'm on guard. "Why is your headlight out?" "What do you mean, why is my headlight out?" No, this is not reasonable behavior, Zachary. I agree. So, there's a way to approach things. This is not one of them. This is not a good one. Let's find out what happens.
So, could you issue someone a citation for having headlight out?
Hey, bitch, I wasn't done talking to you, fucking.
"Hey, bitch, I wasn't done talking to you, you fucking what?"
Hey, bitch, I wasn't done talking to you, fucking cunt.
Called him the C word.
So I was actually just I just called for you. I was at the police station. I just called for you.
He's radioing in for assistance.
There's another one.
Oh, that's who was coming
Can
for
you get your
us.
supervisor, please? Plate number is 18250.
Also, again, I don't know who the guy filming is, but the guy who is about to get his ass whooped, he sounds a little intoxicated. Do you listen to listen closely? I detect a hint of slurred speech. He might be under the influence. Let me know if you disagree. Pay close attention.
That's who was coming
Can you
for
get your
us.
supervisor, please? Plate number is 18250.
I could be wrong. Maybe that's the way he normally talks, but it sounds a little inebriated.
Fucking just run around with a fucking headlight out.
Listen.
Fucking pig thinks he can fucking just run around with a fucking headlight out.
He called him the F word pig.
Fucking piece of shit.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. All bets are off. This guy's going down. I didn't even need to see the ending. I can already predict that.
So can you write someone a citation for having headlight out?
Okay, so right now
you guys are using profanity.
No, I didn't use
Speaking
profanity.
in a loud and boisterous manner.
I called.
Swearing is free speech and you can't be a victim? Who is this guy? Mark Stevens posted this? Good lord.
Because I want to go tell you this one
I
time.
called you.
And sir, are you intoxicated?
Oh. Did you hear that?
I want to go tell you this one
I
time.
called you.
And sir, are you intoxicated?
Sir, are you intoxicated? Called it. Told you. I heard it too. He may not be. Maybe that's how he normally talks, but he sounds to be under the influence of something. Swearing is free speech, CJ. No one is arguing with that, but don't be a moron. Stop being a moron. You want to keep being... Actually, you know what? You guys keep complaining about how... I'm actually trying to save you guys. I'm trying to... You guys keep complaining. Some of you, not all of you. Some of you guys and gals are like, "Oh, well, you're just saying that because it's good for you and that drums up business." What I'm telling you now is free advice to not get arrested. I'm trying to take away business from me, you morons. Golly. Let's swear at the cop and see what happens. Well, we're about to find out. You want to be another Joe Whiteshirt over there? Be my guest. I'll happily take your money and represent you in court. So bring me more business. Woo! Sheesh.
Here's the complaint. You cannot be a victim.
Do me a favor. Go ahead, get in your vehicle and go to where you guys need to
No,
go.
so I called you from the police station. I called.
Binge, email me.
You want to try to arrest me for not leaving?
Ash plus 2, can you give him my email, please?
You put your hands on me, I'm walking away. And
I can say whatever I want. So first
I can
of
say
all,
whatever I want.
You have a Freedom of Information Act request. That's what I asked for.
You're not finna sit up right here. I'm gonna tell you one time, okay?
And I'm going to tell you one time,
Y'all
you
go
get
ahead
in
and
the
go
vehicle
to
and do your job.
Can y'all go to where y'all need to go?
Well, this is where I needed to go. I called you guys.
Okay, what is the issue?
I need a Freedom of Information Act request form because I just called from the lobby.
Okay, first off, you don't request a Freedom of Information Act request form from the patrol cop. You go to the office. Go to the proper office where they have them. Jeez. Mistake number 2. Or not 3. I lost count.
I also wanted a to see
Jeez.
if you guys had a public restroom.
Hey, C Perceptions
Yeah,
Music.
I called from right over there. I was the one that called.
Did you try to use that facility?
It's closed. The whole building's closed.
It's closed, and it's only closed due to the COVID-19.
Well, there was no one in there, so they said that you guys are going to be dispatched to the scene to get me a Freedom of Information Act request form and to let me know if I could use the bathroom.
Well, I'll tell you what, you can call the number again and ask for a supervisor so they can better give you information before it's in reference to that, okay?
So
Right now, you guys just
that's
gotta be out here
well, that's number one.
yelling,
But you know what?
can't be doing all this.
So using that language is covered under the First Amendment. It's a First Amendment protected activity, and you, sir, cannot be a victim.
See, and that's not cool. They're saying that because he's got a badge, they're trying to say because he's got a badge, now you become the perpetrator, by the way, by doing this. By swearing at the cop and being so aggressive with him, you're like, I have a constitutional veil, is what your argument is. I have a veil. You see this? This is my veil. This is my constitutional veil. This is my protection from you. I can swear at you as much as I want, and I can do whatever I want, however I want to, and you can't touch me because First Amendment, ha 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 ha, because of my, damn this thing, because of my pretty little veil, I am protected. It doesn't work that way. It does not work that way. You can't just be aggressive and on the offensive and be the instigator and then argue constitutional protections. As Ash said, I mean, it's simple. We're all human. Treat each other with love, for the love of God.
There's no other victim. Yeah, but there's no victims.
We're not gonna sit here and
Well, we are because you work for
There's
us.
no
You're the
victims?
people.
Actually, the cop's a
You work
victim
for
right
us.
now. No offense.
I called you. You can. How about this?
For your aggressive behavior, listen, it's escalating. You can see it escalating. The cop is just trying, they're talking over him. He's saying, and they're talking over him. And they're saying, and they're talking over him. Just don't be an ass. Yeah, there's a great way to say it. Just be cool. Be cool. Just be cool. Remember the Fonz? Am I going to get a copyright violation just for talking about him? I hope not. Remember Fonzie? Be cool. Be cool like the Fonz. It's all good. It's all cool. Remember Pulp Fiction? When they reference the Fonz, when Pumpkin and Honey Bunny are robbing that restaurant, and Samuel L. Jackson and what's his name's character walk into the restaurant. Tell your bitch to be cool! Remember that? Remember that scene? Be cool. Be cool. Vince, yes. I was trying to remember the actor's name. I couldn't remember it. Be cool.
You don't tell me how to public, and I won't tell you how to police.
These guys are failing at it.
How about that?
I agree, not Tom. That scene is amazing.
It's not.
Oh, there it is. See, I'm calling them 5 seconds before they happen. It's so. This one's too easy.
I'm not. Listen, dude. It's not.
Lower your voice, please.
It's not disorderly. I called you. I'm not yelling.
Here it comes.
I'm not yelling at you. So then you're.
Here it
yelling at
comes.
me.
John Travolta, thank you.
This is where I need to go. Can I have my Freedom of Information Act request form? That's why I called you from that lobby.
I'm going to ask you one last time.
Hey, so you guys
What is
do
your
the subway
name?
parking lot, okay?
What is your name and badge number?
Well, they have to.
One last time. What is your name and badge number?
Are they?
Subway is closed.
Is there a no therefore sign?
You're on private property and you have no
Let me see if there's a no trespassing sign.
And if I don't, what are you going to do? Oh, you're going to arrest me for trespassing?
Who's the complainant?
You're fucking on for that, buddy. You're on private property and you're trespassing.
Okay, they just made that decision. Did you see that? Oh, man. Look at those two cops. Look at how the black cop's looking at his buddy. Watch the facial expression. They already made their decision. Watch this. Watch again. Watch very closely.
You're on private property and you're
There's
trespassing.
no trespassing sign.
He's putting the gloves on.
You're gonna trespass you from where you work? That's fine.
Now they think like, oh, these cops are going to leave.
Yeah.
Well, we already know what's going to happen.
There's no signs here at all. The business owner is not here to trespass us.
Plate number 18250.
Yeah, this would be harassment and disorderly conduct, sure. I'm sure that's what they got charged with. And resisting arrest, the guy in the white. In a minute. And he was absolutely resisting.
So this is what
Well, we'll see it again in a second.
Guys, this is what happens when we call for police service.
Anybody needs a medical marijuana card, as this guy says, skinny. You know what? You're not wrong. Whoever made these captions does not understand basic human psychology.
Who's the complainant?
I'm just gonna sit and watch. Anybody have any popcorn? Here, I got a bag of chips. Yep. Watch his arms.
You're not resisting. You're on film.
He's pulling. You can see that. This is ridiculous. Who sent me this? This guy got everything he deserved. I'm sorry. It's just the way it is.
Yo! Are you out of your fucking mind? Are you out of your mind?
And now he's crying for help after he did everything wrong.
Do you understand that I have you punched him in the face. I want a supervisor now. Supervisor
Mark
now.
Moore is right. This guy is an idiot.
Nobody complained. Cops are the complainant. Oh, we got you, dude. You just lost your job, bro. You just lost your job. Congratulations.
He has not lost his job. Nothing's.
Chicago. We need a supervisor now.
This cop handled it correctly. Well, maybe the punch was excessive. I will say that. The punch maybe was a little excessive. But let me tell you, honestly, I don't agree with it, but I understand it. I understand it. Put yourself in that cop's shoes for a moment. Put yourself in that cop's shoes for just a moment. Thanks for the $1.99, Ryan. I'm gonna go buy myself some Mentos. Put yourself in that cop's shoes for a moment. You've just been cussed out, yelled at, FTP'd at, harassed by some megalomaniac with a cell phone who thinks he's invincible. Can you blame the cop for clocking the dude in the face? Can you blame him? Stop thinking about the law. Start thinking about basic human decency. That's how jurors think. A lot of times that's what jury nullification is. When you have a law and they're like, this law does not comport with my internal human decency. And they acquit, even though they're clearly guilty under the law. That's it. If you ever wanted to know what jury nullification is in 30 seconds, sorry, 10 seconds, that's what it is. The cop did stoop down to his level, Pius. That's a good way to put it. I don't know. I don't feel bad for this guy. I really don't. I'm sorry. I feel bad for the cop. I feel bad for the cop. Not because I'm a bootlicker, but because this guy's a freaking moron for confronting, instigating, verbally harassing, not just harassing, no. This was verbally attacking the cop. He attacked the cop with words. He got what he deserved. I'm not from Tom's MySpace. Exactly.
Hey, bud, that's your last act as a police officer, bro. Hope you enjoyed it.
The same cop's got a headlight out.
Kidnapping, guys, kidnapping.
Kidnapping. They're kidnapping an asshole. I'm okay with that.
Kidnapping, guys, kidnapping.
This is straight kidnapping. He will be held for ransom.
Okay. Now. Yeah, exactly, Kevin. People only see what they like to see, and they say what benefits them. But anything that's outside the wheelhouse, oh no, that doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. Kidnapping. Kidnapping an asshole is not a crime. I'm 100% with the officer on this one. Not Tom from MySpace says he's crying. It is pretty funny. All right. Now, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Officer Kunt Salazar, spelled C-U-N-T. I wonder if that's his real name, or is this them trying to make a filthy joke. Officer Kunt Salazar tries to chill citizens' speech public freakout. Let's watch.
Do we have to go into the fuck you match again, or can the kids go to sleep?
Oh wait, this is Mark Stevens. Oh, this is the same guy. This is Mark Stevens again.
Leave. I think Brian has better calls he wants to go to.
I am, and I'm free to stay. I said he was dismissed. You're dismissed. Salazar, you're dismissed. You're dismissed, Salazar. Goodbye.
Oh, that was the conclusion? Yeah, it's right here. Oh wait, you guys can't see that. Hold on. I'll this is the title. Lafayette Police Department. This is the title of the video for those of you wondering. Yeah, I should do that Greek bowl. I just forget and I don't have the time. It's a lot of work to do control, copy, control, paste. I just don't have the time for that. I would. I just forget sometimes.
Why
Hey.
don't you stop harassing people?
It was probably an intentional,
Me?
an
Lord,
intentional
is that a lawful
misspelling,
order?
maybe.
Is that a lawful order? And I'm going to stand on the sidewalk right here. What would you like, sir? What's your name and badge number? And I will not give you my ID.
You're not going to give me your ID?
I will not.
Okay. You
What
can't
did I
yell
do?
close to the street.
I do what?
It's a city ordinance. You can't yell when you're close to the street.
Oh, yeah?
City ordinance, you can't yell
I
when
do
you're close
not.
to the street. That's
So,
interesting.
am I required to give that?
Yep.
What is what's the ordinance?
Are you going to tell me? I just told you
Yeah.
it's a city ordinance.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. What's the ordinance? If you can give me the ordinance number, I'll give you my ID.
Again, instigating.
Sure. Come over here, though.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. So what's the ordinance number,
Wait
sir?
until I get somebody else here, and I'd be more than happy to give it to you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will you take your hand out of your pocket?
Take
your hand out of your
Yeah,
pocket.
I'll go ahead and do that for you.
Okay.
I'll do that for you, yeah? Okay. Come on. So what's that ordinance number, sir?
Didn't I just tell you? I'll tell you when I get somebody
Do we have to go into the public? No. So tell me that ordinance number or you'll never get my ID.
Tell me that
Because you have
ordinance
to articulate
number or you'll
what,
never get my
what
ID.
ordinance I violated.
Yeah, I'm about to tell you. I'm just waiting.
You're about to tell me so you're gonna wait for somebody else to show up, okay? Because what? You're scared? What's the problem? I don't understand here.
I just know what you guys are doing. So
Yeah, so here's the
I just
thing.
know what you guys are doing. Okay, so this guy's familiar with First Amendment auditors.
Grievances, and you can't be a victim. So I can tell you that I'm never going to give you that ID, and you know what? You can arrest me for.
Okay,
for
you know what?
No, I'm not telling you.
All right, I'm sorry, you guys. I can't take this anymore. This guy is annoying the crap out of me. I apologize. We're gonna go to the next video. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. I don't like this guy. I don't like how he sounds. I don't like how he looks. I don't like him, period. I want him to go away. That's what I want. And I have some more videos. I don't know if they're from him or not, but I'm done with this guy. I'm sorry. I'm done. Mark Stevens. So I had a few. Somebody sent me a bunch of them. And I actually want to look it up. Who sent me these? Was it him himself? I wonder. Let me check my email just real quick. Give me one moment. No, it was some other guy or gal. Yeah, some other guy or gal that sent it to me. Oh, it's so bad. Chilling citizens' free speech? More like chilling my ears, man. Golly. This guy is an asshole. No, we don't want... Oh. Should we do this one, fam? Should we do this one? Should we do this one? That's the title of the video. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that. I've seen that one. It's actually pretty funny. Okay. All right. Chat, you better not let me down. You better not let me down. I'm scared. If this is like a porno, if this is a bloody porno, I swear to God, I'm suing all of you for misrepresentation of character and misrepresentation of YouTube video. If I get banned by YouTube for reviewing this video, I swear to God, I'm gonna get demonetized on this. Probably. I don't care about getting demonetized on the video. I doubt I'll get demonetized on the whole channel just for one video. Wait, she said she was fixing her coochie lips while trying to hide drugs. Oh, Carolyn, you sent this to me, Ms. Castillo. There's no nudity. Well, I guess you're right. It wouldn't be on YouTube, right? It would be banned by now, and it was on there for like 6 months now. Oh, okay. Dennis says don't do it. Dennis says don't do it. Nicola is just like, just start it already. Shut up and play. She got his suitcase up there. Chat. I can't deal with you right now, chat. All right, roll tape. Wait, is there no sound? Oh, here we go.
Why?
Good meth on you.
But you guys told me you would help me out. Like, please don't.
It's on camera.
But please.
It's on camera?
You guys told me please don't send me a boo-boos on my leg. Please don't. I was fixing my coochie lips. That's not my bag. That's not a bag. That's my fucking coochie lips hanging out. I'm telling you, I was adjusting my coochie lips. And so I was fixing my coochie lips. Why am I going to jail though? Like, wait, I have a question.
I'm gonna clear it. What do you think of me?
If they don't find anything on me at the jail, do I get to go home?
See, no. Whether they find it or not, you're going to jail for obstruction of justice
I didn't obstruct anything.
and trying to hide evidence.
I didn't.
Right here.
I didn't.
You don't want to watch this video?
Yeah, I would love to. Because I was fixing my coochie lips.
Okay, there's a bag. So there's a bag right there being shoved into your pants.
That's not my bag. That's not a bag. That's my fucking coochie lips hanging out, dude.
There's a bag you're putting in there.
Whatever.
They go to the hospital and take it out.
Okay. No, they beg and cough me. It'll be cool.
It shows you taking out your pants from the top and taking
I didn't though. Look, I emptied my pockets for you before I got in here.
in your pants, man.
There's not in my pants.
So we'll bring you to the hospital.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we'll go to the jail first. The scanner. I should be able to show it. So just so you know, if you do not,
Hey, Richard.
If you can't retrieve it right now, it's multiple felonies to hide it on top of what you have. If you're honest with us, and you can retrieve it now, we may be able to help you out. But if you make us go all the way to the jail.
By the way, he's actually not lying. This is the first time probably you'll hear me say this. He's actually not lying to her. And if they find drugs while you're trying to enter the jail, even though it's hidden inside of your meat pocket, if you're hiding drugs on the way to the jail in your meat pocket, you are going to be charged with a Class D felony called promoting contraband, because you are bringing drugs into the jail. Don't do it. Bad idea. Bad idea.
Sir, I swear, when I'm telling you I was adjusting my coochie lips, I was checking my pockets to make sure I had nothing on me, to be honest. If you want, no, sir. If you,
That's a Class D felony.
Make sure I had nothing on me. Where's this female officer? Like, let her pat you down.
Well, now it's too. We have the evidence we need.
That's not evidence, though. I was fixing my coochie lips.
Dude, you're honest with us, and you can take out what you had. We can help you. If you make us go all the way to the jail, and we have to retrieve it, it's going to be about 2 or 3 felonies for lying and hiding evidence, obstructing to hide it, tampering with evidence, and on top of whatever you have.
Well, tampering, maybe.
I'm saying, if you can help us with this now, we can help you. It's clear as day.
Help you with what, though? Like,
Retrieve whatever you have hidden. That's all we're asking you to do. That's all we're asking.
I can see how it's tampering. She's trying to conceal it.
Whoa. Hey, hold on.
listen,
That's all we're asking you to do.
I don't, but what? I'm going to jail either way, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, like you said to me before, okay?
Oh, did you hear what she said? She just admitted it. I'm going to jail either way, so it doesn't matter.
I didn't do anything out of my Hey, listen, I didn't take anything out of my pants. If anything, listen,
I'm not going to advertise the chips. I'm just eating chips.
We're trying to.
If you want to sponsor me, by all means.
Listen, once we go to the jail, okay, and they put you through the scanner, okay, they're gonna see what you shove up your pants, okay? Once you go into that jail with contraband, that's another felony.
Yes, it is.
I didn't shove anything up my pants. Am I going to jail either way?
unless you help us out, I think you're true.
Because I might have a bowl in my pussy already, but I didn't put nothing in my pants. There was something in my, like, in there already that I was adjusting. But
It's my Fourth Amendment right not to be searched. This is my veil, my Fourth Amendment veil. Miss Coochie Lips.
But there was nothing in, like, there was no bag. It was just a fucking bowl. And it was already in my pussy. I'll take that out for you. Like, that's all there is.
Listen to me, okay?
She's being kidnapped.
Questions, okay? I'm going to read you your rights, okay, to protect you and to protect me as well, right?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Yes, yes, CJ. I'm glad I'm not the only one who heard that.
Before we get to any questions, have to hammer with dinner questions.
What are we watching? All right. Does anything else happen? I think we got the gist of it. I think. Is that it? Just the ride home? The ride to the station? What happens at the jail?
I want to see what that video looks like. And she had probably, it was right under her seat. It was very odd.
Wait, does she actually take it out?
Grabbing things, moving things around. I want to see what that video looks like. There's right underneath her seat was the lighter. There was a dollar bill folded with some crumbs. I tested it for meth, but it looks like, or for the cocaine, but it looks like crystal. It looks like it was probably meth in that little dollar bill. But it's just a little bit, it's gone now.
Oh,
I didn't even get it.
come on. Enough. Stop being horny dudes and let's move on to the next video. I guess we're doing like another one today, huh? Let's do another one because that one was just ugh. Oh, I'm getting chills. Oh man. Come on. All right. Let's move out of the weird part of the police officer stops video. Man arrested for refusing police search. Ooh, that's going to be interesting. Officers illegally enter man's home and arrest him for not letting him search. They had a bench warrant for another woman and arrested the man for not allowing them in the house. That sounds unconstitutional. There's a case on that. And went as far as trying to pick the locks to gain entry. Oof. Wow. That sounds unconstitutional, if I've ever heard one.
Jail. Obstruction.
Obstruction? How can you be obstruction? She's not in here. It's obstruction.
No, we have a warrant to come into this residence, and there's only one reason why they won't let you in.
It's a trailer house. Oh, wow. No, they can't do this.
He said, do what you gotta do, try to talk your way in, but if you gotta boot in the door, you gotta boot in the door.
March 1st, 2021, White Earth Tribal Police and Bedford County Sheriff were en route to execute a bench warrant for Karayan's girlfriend's sister.
A bench
known as
warrant,
Alyssa.
even?
After speaking with Karayan...
You know what a bench warrant is? A bench warrant is failure to come to court. Wow. This is not only is not a search warrant, not only is it not even an arrest warrant, this is just a bench warrant. It is a bench warrant is a type of arrest warrant, but a bench warrant is for failure to come to court.
It's noted that he has experienced several negative encounters with law enforcement. In 2018, White Earth Police conducted a pat-down in search of Karayan's 3-year-old son without consent. This incident left a lasting negative impact for the family.
This is edited. Yeah, Rockchilds, I can see that. Obviously, there's a voiceover.
Sounded like somebody locked that other door.
Yeah, I locked it. What's up?
Hey! We're looking for Alyssa.
No, she's not here. So, hold on.
What state is this? Does anybody know?
What can I do for you?
Looking for Alyssa Clark.
She's not here, buddy.
She has 4.
Well, she's not here. She doesn't live here. So.
Okay, she has 4 warrants, and this address is listed on the warrant.
She doesn't live here, buddy. So,
Why are you shaking?
I'm not shaking, buddy.
Are you
I just got up.
something?
I just got up. Like you see, I just woke up.
Okay.
I just got up. Can you back up off my door a little bit, man? Give me 6 feet.
She
6 feet. 6 feet.
No.
6 feet. Okay, well, let me close my door.
You're not closing the door.
Well, 6 feet, buddy. 6
Okay.
feet.
Carolyn Castillo, you're a
No, you're
sweetheart.
not
Thank you
going
so much.
This is her address.
No, this is not her address.
That's
She does not live
listed on the
here.
warrant.
She does not live here.
It doesn't matter.
Well, she doesn't live here.
Then you need
She
to...
doesn't live here. Back up, buddy. Give me 6 feet. She doesn't live here.
Okay.
She doesn't live here. She doesn't live here.
I heard you the first
Okay, well, God, you ain't getting it.
Okay.
She doesn't live
We're
here.
going to make sure she's not here.
Oh, do you have reasonable?
We're gonna-
We have warrants for her arrest.
Well, she doesn't live here.
Okay. Well, I
Where's
need
the
you to
warrant?
get out of the way.
Where's the warrant for my house? There's no warrant for here.
No.
No,
There's
she
a
doesn't live here.
warrant with this
She doesn't
address
live here.
listed.
Well,
So we
she
do have
doesn't
a
live here.
warrant.
She doesn't live here. Where's the warrant at? Let me see the fucking warrant.
Okay, I agree with this man. Even though he's a little hostile, but you got to remember, it's kind of like, it goes back to the whole castle doctrine. This is my house. This is my abode. It doesn't matter that it's a trailer and it may be run down and dirty. It doesn't matter. This is my house. This is where I live. Okay? This is my castle. This is where I sleep. This is where I eat. This is where I store my belongings to make sure they don't get stolen. And I have a right to protect it. Now, I have this government agent at my doorstep telling me they're looking for somebody. Is so-and-so here? Was the question. The answer was no, they're not here. Please leave. He started out actually very nicely. 6 feet. It's COVID on top of everything. He's not wearing a mask. I don't know if the other officers wearing a mask. We haven't seen their face. Don't forget, this is again, this is the problem with people sometimes. They see something and they try to generalize, well, this is exactly like the guy from the first video or the second video we watched, right? Wrong. This man started out, let's go back. I just want to go back. Remember how the previous video started? The previous video, he was already hostile and he just escalated. And the instigator was that individual. Now watch this guy. This guy doesn't have an agenda. The guy with the camera, I mean, holding the camera with the cell phone. All he's trying to do is get this guy initially 6 feet away from him. And afterwards, just 6 feet off his porch because COVID. This is March 1st of this year. It's still, COVID is very, very real. The vaccines are just being distributed. I think only the first category, doctors, nurses, people in the medical field were given vaccines. The general population is unvaccinated. And you know why he's shaking? He's shaking because he's scared. Because he's dealing with a rogue cop. Watch it again. He's a very smart man for grabbing that camera.
What can I do for you?
Looking for Alyssa
She's not
Clark.
here, buddy.
She has four.
She's not here. She doesn't live here. So.
Okay, she has 4 warrants and this address is listed on the warrant.
She doesn't live here, buddy. So,
Are you shaking?
I'm not shaking, buddy.
Are you
I just got up. I just got up. You see, I just woke up.
Okay.
I just got up. Can you back up off my door a little bit?
Can you back up off my door? 6 feet.
6 feet.
COVID.
No.
6 feet.
State law.
Okay, well, let me close my door.
You're not closing the door.
Well, 6 feet, buddy.
You're not
6
closing
feet.
the
I
door.
want to go check to see if she's
No.
He's stuck. He can't close the door. He can't get rid of the cop.
Not coming in here.
This is her address.
You're not coming in. This is my castle.
She does not live
on the
here.
warrant.
She does not live here.
He has no warrant. He has no right to come in.
Doesn't matter.
Well, she doesn't live here.
Then you need
She
to...
doesn't live here. Back up, buddy. Give me 6 feet. She doesn't live here.
Okay.
She doesn't live here. She doesn't live here.
I heard you the first
Okay, well, God, you ain't getting it.
Okay.
She doesn't live here.
We're going to make sure she's not here.
We're going to make sure she's not here. Now the cop is threatening him.
Do you have reasonable articles?
We have warrants for her arrest.
Well, she doesn't live here.
Okay. Well, I
Where's
need
the
you to
warrant?
get out of the way.
Where's the warrant for my house? There's no warrant for here.
No.
No,
There's
she
a
doesn't live here.
warrant with this
She doesn't
address
live here.
listed.
Well,
So we
she
do
doesn't
have a
live here.
warrant.
She doesn't live.
All you have, officer, is a bench warrant with the last known address of the defendant. That's not the same as a search warrant. Think about that.
Hey, where's the warrant? Let me see the fucking warrant. If you don't have it, get the fuck off my property.
I agree.
Don't be spitting at me.
I'm fine with all my sisters, so I don't have a problem with her. I'm fine with
Hey,
her.
where's Alyssa at?
I'm fine with her, so I don't bother.
Is she in
She
here?
doesn't fucking live here. I told you
I'm
that.
fine with her.
So back up off my house.
You want to hold the door?
Did she just say, I'm fighting with her?
Hey, where's Alyssa at?
I'm fine with her, so I don't
Yeah, she said, I'm fighting with her. You're talking too much, people. You're talking too much. You just gave away the game. You just said, basically you said she's here. The cop was like, well.
Is she in here? She doesn't live here.
But they still have no right to come in, but you should have kept your mouth shut more and just kept saying she doesn't live here.
Told you that. So back up on my house. You want to hold the door? No, there ain't no holding the door. There's no holding the doors. I told you she doesn't live here. Where's the warrant? I'm going to go print it out.
Go print it out. Go print it out. That's fine. Go print it out.
It's not a private door. And I explained that she's not here. So can you please move on?
He was going to get you a copy of this.
All right, name and badge number.
Officer Ben Whiteman, 820.
Oh, Ben. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're the rights violator, aren't you? Touching my son.
You're the rights violator, aren't
Touching
you?
my son. You gonna do it again? Okay. You want to touch my son again? You want to touch my son again?
There are different types of warrants that can be issued. An arrest warrant being the most common, a bench warrant, and a search
Did he arrest his
The
son or
arrest warrant
something?
process is started by a police officer. The officer files a statement with the judge explaining why he believes that person named has committed a crime. If there is probable cause, the judge signs the warrant and the police can make the arrest. On the other hand, a bench warrant is issued by a judge when a defendant violates the rules of the court. Most often, the defendant has simply failed to show up. Once a bench warrant is issued, the police can treat it like any other arrest warrant and use it to bring the defendant back in front of the judge. The most typical use
But
of
not
an
go
arrest
inside
warrant
someone's
is when
house
an
to get
officer
it.
wants to nab an unsuspecting suspect in the comfort of his or her own home. Simply busting down the suspect's front door in such a non-emergency situation would neither be polite nor legal.
There it is. A bench warrant for that person, not for that man's residence to search. Fred Johnson with the money drop. Here we go. You're getting the shout out. Screen capture. Right here, Fred. Right here. This man right here.
After Karayan reviewed the document, it was clear that the type of warrant was a bench only and not a search warrant for the property. Karayan made it clear multiple times that Alyssa did not live on the property and refused to give officers consent to search the home. One of the White Earth officers, unsure of what to do, calls his lieutenant for some advice.
This is an interesting one. This is a very interesting one.
Oh my gosh. Kiran Kier. KK. Anyways, Chiron. Alyssa Clark has 4 warrants. 1 being a felony, 3 being gross misdemeanor, body onlys. The address on the warrants is listed at his address. And I printed out a warrant, gave it to him. He won't let us search the house. And he's flipping out.
Yeah. Rightfully so. I would too.
He won't let us go in the house.
Later, CJ.
Yes. I ran the warrants. Okay, works for me.
Wait. What did he say?
House. Yes. I ran the warrants. Okay, works for me.
I can't hear.
Because I told him, I said, you'll be arrested for
This is the video. It's in the
Okay.
chat box.
Okay. Correct, it is. Okay.
Did he just get a carte blanche
Alright, thanks. Bye.
to go search?
I'm explaining you. This is her address she listed. She has multiple felony warrants. We're trying to locate her.
She's not here.
Okay.
She's not here.
When was the last time you seen her?
I haven't seen her since she's been in the hospital.
In Fargo or?
Yeah, she was in Fargo. So that's the last time I know that my girl even talked to her.
Okay. And
How long ago was that?
That was like 4 or 5 days ago.
okay. Okay. Well, if you hear from her, just let us
Hey,
know.
I don't like that guy.
Okay.
All right, you know what? He already violated my son's rights. I don't like that guy. I don't want him back over here.
Yeah, he arrested his son. I called
I'm
it.
letting you know that.
Okay, and I know.
And I'm letting you know that that guy already violated my son's rights. 5-year-old kid, searching him and stuff without no permission.
Searched a 5-year-old kid?
I don't like that guy. I don't want him back up here. So if you want to get anything out of me, talk to me, anything, don't let him come back up here.
Wow.
So that's all I'm saying. If you hear from her, you need to
Damn.
let her know she needs to contact the court.
And I don't take kindly to threats either.
Okay, that's why I'm talking to you, sir. I'm not trying.
Well, him.
Okay, I know, and I can't. Okay, this is me talking now, all right?
I got you, man.
Okay?
I
But
got
if you
you.
see talk,
Excuse me, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be. But that guy right there pisses me off.
we're getting it.
We're just here for Alyssa.
That's right.
Like you explained to you, She's got multiple felony warrants. Okay. And we can help facilitate her getting to jail so she can take care of what she's got pending. Right. I mean, that's what we're here for, brother. We're not here to turn everybody's lives upside down.
You need to back up, man. I'm talking to these guys.
I'm not playing with you. I already talked to you. He said put your handcuffs.
Karine is placed in handcuffs. And
Wait. Hold on. For what? For what? Where's... I don't understand.
And we can help facilitate her getting to jail so she can take care of what she's got pending. Right. I mean, that's what we're here for, brother. We're not here to turn everybody's lives upside down.
You need to back up, man. I'm talking to these guys.
I'm not playing with you. I already talked to you. He said
Wait, for what?
Karine is placed in handcuffs and complies with officers.
For what?
As they're arresting me for no reason.
Yep.
She's still not opening the door.
That's fine. We have every right to go inside.
So break it down and see what happens. I'll sue you. I'll sue you.
Yeah, this is a wrongful arrest, a breaking and entering.
No, guys, don't open the door.
This is a lawsuit.
See, don't open the door. No, Ange, don't open
This is a lawsuit, straight up. So far, I don't see
Officers walk Karine to the patrol
not
car,
one
like
thing
Officer Benz
that the officer did right.
recording.
Not one thing.
Well, I want to explain something. Alyssa has multiple felony warrants. This is the address she listed. I get it, and I
That's
get
not...
it.
You don't understand. Okay, so this is the listed address, and so what? You can't violate people's rights in searching for people that you are trying to detain for your own purposes. Mic drop.
Address. It's not her address.
I know, and I get that you're saying that she's not here. What's your name?
I'm done talking.
Okay.
Am I under arrest?
Right now you are.
Okay, so
You want to swing your feet in?
hold on. Am I under arrest for what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what? I didn't do
We're
anything.
lawfully executing a warrant.
The search warrant is not for that
It's not a search warrant.
house.
It's for a person
not for the
who
house.
wants an
It's not
address.
for the
If
house.
you know the laws, then you know that we have every legal
You know
right
the
to-
laws, the ones that I'm making up.
So you have no legal right.
You know how many times we've heard that?
She has no legal right. She doesn't live there.
Okay.
You have
this is
no
the address-
legal right.
This is the address she listed.
Well, I can't help what she has. She can list in your goddamn courthouse where you guys gonna go in there. See what I'm saying?
Let me go talk
I love this guy.
Okay.
I love this guy.
Go talk to him, okay?
He's funny. He's a character. He knows his rights. He knows the law. He brought his camera out. If I practiced in Alaska, I want this case.
In his mind, there's only one reason.
Shoot, if he wants to call me, if no other lawyer will take it, I'll take it. I'll take this case. I'll bro hack Vici into Alaska any day.
He said, do what you
Any
gotta
day of the
do.
week.
You know, try to talk to your
Find me
wife.
this guy. Find out his name. Find out his. I want to talk to this guy. Somebody get me this guy's email. Somebody get me this guy's number. Somebody hook me up for the YouTube. This is you. 129 people are watching this.
What's ridiculous?
Does anybody know this guy's name? Don't put it in the chat.
It's up to you. I'm gonna let you.
I want to represent this guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him to jail. This is crazy.
I will represent this guy. I'll pro hack Vici into Alaska.
Okay.
Hello?
He has a lawsuit, straight up. There's no...
Clark has 4 warrants.
This, so far, this is already a lawsuit, and I know it's about to get better.
Warrants is listed at this address. KK Karan is a Kier. Chiron here. Yeah.
This was posted,
He got me
2 weeks ago on YouTube.
I put him in handcuffs. And then Andrea is inside, and she won't let us in.
Somebody get this guy's email, phone number, mailing address.
So,
I'll send a carrier pigeon if I have to,
still there?
or an owl.
Hello?
Shit, I'll send a rat with a little note tied to its foot. I would love to represent you. Go, little rat. Chase him down. Find him in Alaska. Don't freeze to death.
Alyssa Clark.
Dan says 10%. I'll find him. I thought this was Alaska.
Yes.
GoFundMe DUI carrier pigeon.
I even printed it out and gave
Wait,
it to
okay, hold on.
Karan here.
Sorry. All right, chat. I'm lost. Fargo? People saying where's Fargo? Fargo,
He said
North
that's
Dakota?
the only warrant. That's for her, not for this residence. I said this is the residence that's on it.
Fargo, North Dakota. Fargo, North Dakota. Okay.
But I printed out for him.
Okay, I'm not familiar with North Dakota. People saying Colorado. Okay, Colorado. No, Colorado. This can't be Colorado. This is North Dakota. Okay, everybody's saying North Dakota. Chat seems to be unanimous. It's near some reservation. Okay.
Well, I told him that he's under arrest for obstruction.
Rewind about a minute. Okay. What are we gonna see? Are we gonna see right here somewhere? Oh, I see. I see what you're saying.
That's what he says.
Tribal police, highway safety. There it is. Middle Earth. One does not simply walk into Fargo. This is Middle Earth Tribal Police. Oh, Woody Muller with a zinger. North Dakota, you don't sue. You sue. S-I-O-U-X. White Earth? Is that what it is? White Earth Tribal Police. White Earth. Fargo, North Dakota. Okay, we have a location, folks. We have a location. White Earth Police Department. WhiteEarth.com. Purchase wild rice online. What? Well, that's Wild Earth Wild Rice. No, wait. What? What? Does not compute. Okay, I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. I'm going to take myself off for a second. Do you guys see this? You can purchase wild rice online on the government's website. Why is that? White Earth Tribal Police Investigative Division. So, 1877 contact. Oh, that's Minnesota. Wait, so it's not North Dakota, it's Minnesota. It's Minnesota. It's Minnesota. Whoa. Gawababiganikag. That's very Indian. That's right there. White Earth Nation. Is that the literal translation? Because Ga, I think, means earth. Like Gaia. Gawababiganikag. That's so beautiful. Would you guys like to purchase some wild rice? White Earth Wild Rice, hand harvested, naturally organic. Sign in, create an account. I wonder how much these people paid to have their ad on the government's website. On the police website. Hey guys, get your warrants, get your police reports, get your accident reports, and wild rice. Right here in one place. WhiteEarth.com. I don't know what it is, but I love it. Minnesota. All right, so it's Minnesota. We have established location. It's Minnesota.
Catch her another day.
What's ridiculous? Because we had, you know.
It's up to you. I'm gonna let you make the call. I don't care.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him to jail. This is crap. You know.
Are you going in the residence to look?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, yada yada yada.
Hello. Alyssa Clark has 4 warrants, 1 felony, 3 gross misdemeanor. The address on the warrants is listed at this address. KK Karan is a Kier. Chiron Kier, yeah. He's not allowing us in there, so...
I can pro hack Vici into probably anything, racing the moon. I've never tried.
Andrea is inside, and she won't let us in.
I'll represent this guy. If I can get jurisdiction, if I can get licensure, I'll do it. Somebody tell him to call me.
Still there? Hello? Okay.
Bye, Elise. Peace out.
No. Alyssa Clark. Yes. I even printed it out and gave it to Karan Kier.
The wrong piece of paper. Oh, Karan Kier. Whoa, hold on. We have a
He
name.
said that's a body only warrant. That's for her, not for this residence.
Karan
This is the residence that's on
Kier.
that warrant. And it even has it on it.
Karan Kier. All right, Chad. Now I need your help to figure out how to spell it. Karan
He
Kier.
said he's suing if we go into his house.
Karan Kier. Karan Kier in White Earth, Minnesota. On a reservation. Is it? Is it on the description? No. No, it's not on there. No. Maybe in the comments. Somebody find me how to spell this guy's name.
Well, I told him.
He can pay me in white rice?
that he's
No.
under arrest for a-
Oh, no, honey, no. Somebody says, oh, he can pay you in white rice. I know you're joking, but still, I want to address it. Oh, honey, no. No. He doesn't need to pay me anything. He pays this much. This is how much Karan Kier is going to be paying me in legal fees. Nothing. We're just going to take a cut of what we recover from the cops for violating his rights.
What?
So,
Hey, you know you're breaking our civil rights, right? I'll let you know.
okay.
You know
All
you're breaking
right.
our civil
All
rights.
right. Thanks.
Stop blacking your camp, too. You know this is special interest, man.
Hello? No, not yet. I was talking to Todd, and he told me to get the county attorney to call. I don't know.
Felony receiving stolen property, and 3 gross misdemeanors, 1 for 5th degree, and 2 for false name, date of birth. This is just a registered address.
I can't. No. Here's the thing. I can't reach out to Karam Kier, even if I wanted to. That's called client solicitation. I can't do that legally. He has to reach out to me. That's why I'm like, do your job, YouTube. Do your job. Find this guy. Tell him to call me. Otherwise, it's client solicitation. It's illegal.
He's not.
Actually, still a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, they're clear. She's clearly Native American. You can tell.
Alright. What's up, little buddy? How you doing? I'm Jason. What's your name?
She just spoke Indian to him.
Where's the at?
Well, thanks, buddy. Cool, I hope she's alright. Alright. Well, he's on the phone right now. I'm just trying to... I'm on the phone with the county attorney.
He's on the phone with the county attorney. Okay, so he's talking to the county attorney, and he's going to ask for the county attorney to go to the judge. Wait, why is he calling the county attorney? Why can't he just go to the judge directly? He must be a new cop. He's got to be a new cop. He's calling the county attorney because he doesn't know what to do. That explains a lot. That explains a lot. Wow. Whoa. 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 Now that answers. That unravels at least 3 questions. Number 1, do you have constitutional rights on tribal land? Oh, my email? Sorry, fam. Here we go. I need to do this at the beginning of every stream. I need to do this at the beginning of every stream. And like pin it or something. That's my email. If this is a reservation, let's assume for a second, do constitutional rights extend to an Indian reservation? I have no clue. We don't have any Indian reservations in the state of Kentucky. I've never researched this issue. I have no idea. I imagine they would. Why wouldn't they, right? Just logic will dictate. What is it? Once you step off to an Indian reservation, your constitutional rights terminate? I mean, it makes no sense, just logically speaking. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or a genius or live there to understand what the law should be. Now, what the law should be does not always equal what the law is. But I imagine that they should. So, but they also have their own laws. Yes, they do. So they extend, yeah. So logically speaking, they have constitutional rights, so they have the 4th Amendment right to be free from search and seizure. Otherwise, I mean, think about it, just logically. Then the cops would just go rogue and violate every constitutional right in the book. All they have to do is go to a tribal reserve, a tribal preservation, an Indian reservation, and just start violating everybody's constitutional rights. So it makes no sense that they wouldn't extend. Now, they also have... Kip, did you just say you sent me his Facebook? What? Did you email it? I'm looking for it. I don't see it. Hold on. It might take a minute. Looks... Wait, hold on. Come on, don't screw around. Okay. All right. Let me see. This today took a turn, didn't it? Today took a turn. Did you send it to my email? Where'd you send it? Did you send it on my Facebook? Because I'm checking my email and I'm not seeing anything. I put it in the chat. Oh, no, it will block you, Kip. Kip, email it to me. Email it to me or Facebook it to me. If you put a link in the chat, Kip, I think it will block you. Yeah, email it. I didn't get it. I'm like, there's no links. YouTube blocks your links. All right, let's finish the video while I wait for that.
There's a Jennifer connection. You got special interest too.
I don't know who he's talking.
Jennifer connection is pretty stupid if it is.
Why?
But she has special interest on KK.
Oh, really?
Confirmed, and we need to place my name on.
I don't want. Last thing I want to scare your little boy, okay? I don't want to come in there. You know what I mean?
I know. When you got let you guys in, but I got to let you guys in.
Well, you know, he already said no.
Okay, sounds good. Alright. County attorney gave me the okay, and he's going to jail.
What?
Obstruction.
Obstruction? How can you be obstruction? She's not even here. It's obstruction.
No.
He's going to jail for obstruction.
Come into this residence. Okay, so I need you to know.
So now the county attorney, this case is even better than I thought, because now he got the wrong confirmation. He got the wrong okay from the county attorney. Okay. Ooh, this is bad. I mean, good for the case, bad for the cop.
Can you open it and let me in? It ain't gonna matter to him. Neither we.
He's going to jail.
Yeah, but we're gonna kick. Let me go talk to him. I'll go talk to him. But look, I don't want to break your door.
I'm gonna sue you.
So you're not gonna let me in?
I'm letting you know I'm gonna sue you.
I'm trying to not break your door.
Okay, well, do it and I'll sue you.
She said she'll let just me in.
Do it and I'll sue you.
She said but she needs you to give permission.
Do it and I'll sue you.
Will you give her permission just
do
me?
it and I will sue you.
Just me, and I won't take the other guys in.
Do it and I will sue you.
Can you give her
Do
permission?
it and I will sue you.
Can you give her...
Hey, Ange, no permission!
After Karian declined, Officer Ben grabs a lockpick from his patrol vehicle to illegally gain entry to the
Just the
home.
fact that he has a lockpick is in his car on the ready is like the biggest red flag I think I've ever seen.
County attorney said take him to jail.
County attorney said take him to jail.
Look at the guy's face. He's like, county attorney said to take him to jail. County attorney said to take him to jail? He's like, wait, for what? This guy's actually in the right. He's like, what are we arresting him for again? Like, what did he do?
And the county attorney said that he can go now.
Then I must have talked to
He's
the
just
county
like,
attorney and I said take KK to jail.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Are you joking right now? Oh my God. The cop is committing a Class C in Kentucky. This is burglary 2nd degree. This is a Class C felony carrying 5 to 10 years in prison, basically. He's going in with the intent to commit a felony, kidnapping. Sure, the kidnapping is legal, but that's not the point. This is a crime. What the cop is doing right now is not just a violation of your constitutional rights. What he's doing is basically a crime. Oh my God. I have never seen anything like this. Thanks, Kip. I'll check it out. Oh my God. Actually, picking a lock is a very difficult thing to do. Don't give shit to the cop for that. Give him shit for the fact that he's committing a felony to execute a warrant that doesn't exist, receiving a command from a sergeant that doesn't know what they're doing, and receiving an okay from the county attorney who has no clue what's going on. Good enough for government work. Good enough for government work. Yeah, I don't know.
So,
She's standing there for the court.
yeah, I just take him to get obstruction.
Karayan was charged with obstruction and jailed for 3 days. He was released from jail by signing an OR agreement, promising to return to court as required without having to pay bail as a guarantee. However, this comes with a price. Karayan has to be law-abiding, or else he will be fined $400 and sent back to jail. Karayan has been assigned a public defender who is pushing him to plead guilty. He wants to file for a dismissal but has no faith in his court-appointed attorney. Pre-trial is set for June 11th, 2021. Contact information can be found below.
June 11th. June 11th. June 11th. That was 6 days ago. 5 days ago. Yeah, 5 days ago. This has gone to court. Hold on. Does anybody have access to... Is this Minnesota? White Earth District Court. Let's see what I can find. Minnesota White Earth District Court. Judicial Services White Earth Nation. Okay, so we're back to the same website. Contact. Forms, codes, services. Becker County. Becker County. Thank you. Becker County District Court. Can I show my searching window? Sure thing. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to find the right thing first. Becker County, Minnesota. 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 It's one of my favorite states to say. Minnesota. Minnesota. All right. So, fee schedule, court calendar. Here we go. 6/12. Oh, this is like... This is stuff coming up. That's actually really nice. But it doesn't show... It doesn't show previous cases. Search. Search the Becker... Oh, that's the whole website. Search the Becker County website. What do I search for? Does anybody have an idea of how like I'm gonna search this? Because I'm running out of ideas. Minnesota. Let me move this way. Yeah, search his name. You're making it. Is it Officer Pecker? Is it really? Well, no, I can probably get like... Hold on. Administrator, court administrator. Let's see. Planning and zoning, transit, veterans. No, this is court administration. Department homepage, court calendar, court forms, fee schedule, payment policy, self-care center, jury information, specialty courts, related links. Well, they're closed now. What is the guy's name? I already forgot. It's starts with a K. I don't want to mispronounce it. He got the names of 2 police. Kirion Kier, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not, there's going to be like 100 ways to spell them. No, if you click wait. No, that's just their calendar. It doesn't even have anything on it. It's blank. It's literally blank except holidays. They have the daily calendar, but man, if I was on there the exact same day, but how could I have predicted? Date range. So if I could change that somehow. Alpha roster report, date range 616 to 622. How do I generate this right here? That if I can generate this rather than click a button. Oh, this is so much fun. This is so much fun. You know what? I have an idea. What might be the easiest is... So this guy... Does anybody know this guy right here? The Batusai. The Batusai. This is his channel. This is where that video was, okay? This is where his video was. Does anybody know him? Reach out to him. He's probably got an about, view email address. I'm not a robot. Submit. Here we go. Now we're talking. Watch this. Sing to me soprano. Where did you get that? Is that the right spelling? Okay, I'll give it a shot. I'm down. Search. Nope. No, I tried. Nope. Kirion, but I think it's searching the website. Show search options, all search words. Submit. Let's try this. Let's try this. Kirian Cares, Minnesota. No? Okay, let's try Kirian Cares. Becker County, Minnesota. No, Kirian Cares doesn't pop up at all. Becker County, nope, missing. No, all of these are missing the main one. If you get it, I'll give you $5, Mr. Ford, says Caroline. Oh my God, there's $5 on the line now. Oh my God, there's $5 on the line. I have to do this. Hold on. Scroll down the court calendars on the left page. Scroll down the court calendars. No, I'm just going to email this guy. I'm just going to email this guy. By the way, sync to me soprano. Where did you get that spelling? No, Shane123. I can't see the link you're posting. This has become like an adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, whatever the stuff. How do we do this? How do we make this work, chat? Chat! 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 I'm trying to get you guys hype. Come on, chat. Help me out here. Somebody find his court case, which went to court 5 days ago. Just emailed it to you. Okay, I may have his Facebook, but it's blank, and it's a different spelling of Kirian Kier. No, this guy's white. This guy's, I think, is like completely white. That guy looked a lot darker. Okay. All right. I'm done trying. I'm going to email this guy. This is what we're going to do. You guys ready? This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do, chat. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. You guys ready? You guys are not ready for this. You're like, I just came here to watch some reaction videos, man. What did I walk into? What did I walk into? Like, I just came in to react to some, watch a lawyer react to some reaction stuff and the reacting, do the reacting and the reactions. And what is happening? Why is this? What is going on? You ready for this, chat? I'm writing an email to Mr. Batusi. Man arrested for refusing police search. Dear Mr. Batusai. My name is Larry Forman, and I am an attorney from Kentucky. I happened to run across your video on YouTube for the arrest of Mr. Kirian Kier. I'm afraid there's like a billion ways to spell it. Mr. What I believe is to be spelled Kirian Kier. Oops. Period. I happened to run across your video on YouTube about the arrest. No, Google. Go home. You're drunk. If Mr. Keir is interested in having legal representation, he is free to reach out to me in the contact, using the contact info below. Oh yeah, illegal representation in relation to the unlawful and unconstitutional arrest. He is free to reach out to me using my contact info below. I happened to run across your video on YouTube for the arrest of Mr. what I believe to be spelled Kirion Kier when they attempted to execute a bench warrant. Bench warrant. If Mr. Kier is interested in having legal representation in relation to the unlawful and unconstitutional arrest and the officers breaking and entering, he is free to reach out to me using my contact info below. Feel free to pass this on and please let me know if you have any questions. Do you have anything to add, chat? I'm not soliciting. I'm simply emailing the owner of the channel and he can pass it on. If the guy wants to call me, then it's not solicitation. I'm simply letting him know there's a lawyer available for hire. And I'm not even emailing the guy himself. This is me letting the owner of the channel know. So he has to reach out to Kirion Kier himself, which is not solicitation. This is crazy. Of course it's not pro bono. Come on, you guys. If we recover money, we just take a cut. I'm not trying to be an angel here. I'm not stupid. I'm not going to just invest my time in a different state. This is not pro bono. If we recover nothing, it's going to turn into a pro bono. But I expect to recover something with the madness and insanity I've just witnessed. This is madness. We take a cut. Usually it's somewhere between 33 and 50%, depending on if it goes to litigation. These type of cases are usually 50%. If it goes to litigation. If we settle out of court, then it's only 33. James Clemens says, I have the information. Yeah, until then, shut your mouth. Exactly, Red Rex. You guys ready? All right, get hype in the chat. I want everybody to write the word send. I want everybody to write the word send in the chat. You guys ready? I'm about to send it. You ready, chat? Write send in the chat if you want me to send it. Full send. Sender. I don't think this is not solicitation. There's a huge difference between offering services and solicitation. Remember that, chat. Because I am not soliciting the actual client. This is the email address of the individual who posted it. And he has to reach out to me if he so chooses. He can always choose not to reach out to me, in which case I'll never hear from him, and that'll be the end of it. You see what I'm saying? That's the difference. Remember that. Email sent. So, somebody was saying something here. Hold on. You can find it on the sheriff's webpage under press announcements. Thank you, Jay Steele. This is not solicitation. Read the solicitation rules. No, okay, so that I can't do. Whoever emailed me the contact info, that I cannot do. That I cannot do. I can't reach out to the client directly. That's solicitation. I cannot do solicitation. I cannot solicit the man directly. That is against the law. There's actually rules in Kentucky. Let me show you. So those of you who are wondering, like, well, you're not allowed to do this. Solicitation rules. Watch this. No, not prostitution and solicitation laws. Although I am a prostitute of the legal world, that's not the kind of solicitation I'm looking at. Kentucky ethical rules on solicitation. Let me show you. So I'm trying to help this man, right? Watch this. Watch this. This is what people don't understand, and is the difference between oh wait, oops, hold on one second. Screen capture. I need to scroll up. This is the rule on solicitation for those of you who are confused. For those of you that are confused. Screen capture. Oh, crap. I did it again. 1 second, sorry. Watch this. You ready? I highlighted it to make sure that you guys can see. This is the rule on solicitation, for those of you wondering. I know you guys don't want me to get in trouble. So my motivation is to help this man. For you saw, we witnessed together what happened to this guy. He's in a different state. It doesn't matter where they're from. Thank you for the $2 dono, Carolyn Castillo. And welcome Dennis Rankin to Law Novice. Look at this. This is the rule. I highlighted the relevant portion. So no lawyer shall directly or through another person by in-person, live telephone, real-time electronic means, which is basically what this was, real-time electronic means, solicit professional employment when a significant motive for the lawyer's doing so is the lawyer's pecuniary gain. So if all I was after was just give me the money, then yeah, it would be completely wrong. Unless the person connected is a lawyer, which they're not, so that doesn't apply. The person contacted has an immediate family relationship or prior attorney-client relationship with the lawyer, which they do not. Or, bada bing, bada boom, the lawyer is advocating a public interest. Hi. Remember me? And is not significantly motivated by the lawyer's pecuniary gain. I don't care if we make money on this or not. He needs representation. Do you understand the difference now, chat? So that is not against the law. If the ambulance chasers that you guys are... Oh, what? Oh, he has that pretrial set for July 27th. Okay, so Kevin found his case number. There you go. I can't directly contact him, or I mean, I really could. I just don't want to. I think it's a little too much. I don't want to be so like, maybe he already said he's going to sue, so he probably found a lawyer. I'm just doing this because I want this guy represented. I want this guy to have the constitutional protection for the egregious violation of his rights. That's what I am after. Because what I just witnessed is by far, and we watched some crazy stuff, ladies and gentlemen. We watched some crazy, crazy stuff. That right there was one of the craziest violations and encroachments on constitutional rights of the Fourth Amendment I have ever witnessed as an attorney. This video was so one-sided. This video was so one-sided. I mean, my God. This poor guy, all he wanted was for the cop to get off his property. And not only that, he's saying previously, I mean, people usually don't lie about stuff like that. You know, he said the cop searched his 5-year-old son. His 5-year-old kid, the one that was in the window. The officer searched him at one point. For what? He's a fucking kid, man. Leave him alone. If that happened, that is horrendous. That is absolutely horrific. Jeez. You're right, Red Rex. You're right. So we have a case number. I'm appalled. I'm completely appalled. Breaking and entering, arresting, that was kidnapping, unlawful detention, harassment. What else can I get the cop on? I mean, that's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. Rockchild of the 60s says, just make sure to watch the entire video. That parts that you missed are important. One cop tried to keep it civil, but the other guy just wanted to ram his way through the house. Okay, so the cop went rogue. Let's gut the son of a bitch. I don't have time for kittens and cats. I'm going to leave it on this note, fam. I'm leaving it on this note. I'm appalled. I have no words. I have no words. Have a good day, chat. See you next time.